morning. Good morning. So time check, it's 5:30. Mag-hike me today sa highest peak here in Tawi-Tawi, Budbonga Forest Park. So, very hangak. Kami guys, but look at the view. So, wild monkeys guys. Ang dami.
Lapit na sir? Kalapit.
Ayun. For success and for health. Largest Mulave tree in the Philippines. Tapos kami guys. Sa peak na kami. Ibisita na mo mga ano guys, sa mga kalahi.
Kaya na lang ako makakasyon.
Sa peak na mi guys.
Pagka magpaibukalak na tayo, no? Kasi kung
Pababa ka.
So we hiked it for 45 minutes. And then, finally, Budbonga Peak.
Pinakabilis na pababa. Uy guys! Ano tsura ko?
Picture na me and here. So pababa na mi. Ayan, mga baby monkeys.
What will be the next step?
So guys, back to jump off. That's it guys, going back to Zamboanga City. Guys, Zamboanga na mi. 7 PM pa ang bar course sa Manila sa Migastayhan. Fully book ang City Inn, so makita nila yun na mastayan. So guys, nakalimot yung video sa SM na nag-lunch me and then palit ni Polo ni Mon. Tapos karon pabalik mi sa among gistayhan na short time kay pagkatod niya og tambal ni Boss Jesse and food niya. Natay pasyente guys. Naglain niyang paminaw. Bangko Central nila. Sunset na mo. Marami dali silang park to witness sunset. Nice yung sunset guys. I'll show it in a few. My heart. Grabe, nice. Uy! Hi! So done with the sunset guys. Pagkatumi sa Fort Pilar sa likod, magdagkot kami nila. Guys, nice shooting sunset. This is Fort Pilar.
And be the great disciples, saying, take this all of you and eat of it, for this is my body.
Dinner na mi.
Tigitrang fried chicken.
Guys, we're now way to Sulu for 12 hours estimated travel time. Alison guys, pero Montenegro mo sakyan ka ron. Survive guys, so this is our bed for tonight. 12 hours travel time to Sulu. See you next vlog.